Hey everybody, we're down here in Greenville, Pennsylvania for their Heritage Days car show. Gonna take a walk around and see what we see. Come on down. First thing off the bat, we got a MG. We got one of them at home. Pretty nice truck. I think that's a Falcon wagon. Big old Peterbilt. That's a whole lot of Peterbilt. Some pretty cool rat rods. Like the chain grill on that guy, that's pretty cool. This Mac's really nice too. Sweet flames.
So they weren't a couple. Yes, they weren't a couple. She just got rid of them. She didn't like his. And then there was a big right in the butt out. She said she
Chevy 2. Got a little bit of everything. You got race cars.
went to give it. Is he gonna wander around a little bit more?
This one's sweet. Look at the nice orange.
Yeah, put me down.
Challengers. Nice Mopar. Chevy. That's a nice Buick. Or not Buick. Bronco.
My dad had, I guess it was a Buick.
This one's the Buick. Looking at one car, talking about the other. Bronco's nice too, though. The blue streak. This thing's cool. I love the old flathead.
That's why you're wearing that shirt today. It has nothing to do with politics.
Great king.
Great.
Or a big flower.
Big old caddy. Nice Camaro. 67 Super Sport. And a GT 500.
Eliminates me, so.
Firebird. Mystic paints on this is pretty cool. purple to blue. Nice old Chevy. Custom camper. I think it's cool. You got a slingshot.
Some girl love to run around. I talked to that a couple times.
That's a nice Chevy truck.
Up higher.
Escalator. Sunbird. El Camino. That's a nice Trans Am. BMW. Dodge truck.
They told me I was leaking antifreeze. No.
Another Bel Air. GTO. Firebird. Another El Camino. Brad's cool. Oh, I got a cow. Tilt forward hood. Austin Healey. Pretty clean Chevy. Big old Lincoln. That's the whole galaxy right there. This thing's cool.
You still have to walk down here. I don't want to walk down the same side.
I know you're not. I'm not there yet. To you, that's kind of like a corridor or something. I talked to the people with the green fire.
Quite a few cars here, especially seeing the show doesn't start for another hour and a half. Pretty cool. We're gonna have to walk around a couple times to get everything. Thunderbird. So there's some empty spots, but that's just because not quite everybody's here yet. Well over 400 cars, I'd say, at this point. Oldsmobile, Dodge convertible, got a motorcycle, and got an ambulance. Subaru. Oh, nice power stroke. Wilson. Cool, Castaway callback. So many cars. Coronet. 55 is Chevy. A Malibu. Lowered chopped S10. AMX. Chero, Corvettes, Mazda, Firebird, Corvette, Mustang,
Big Bad Red. 70. There was no Big Bad Red. So there was orange. Maybe it's orange. It looked like we go back and look at it. I don't recall seeing it. We'll go back and look at it.
Raptor Ranger. .442. Really nice Ford shoebox.
Yep.
I ain't sure what this is, but it's different. Definitely custom. Got the Z. Rambler. Mercury. Ghost Flames.
Look at this one, Cindy.
Sidecar. Got the dual Frenched in antennas. Got the Greenville Police. Tahoe. Or Yukon. I can't ever keep them straight. I always like the headlight or the fog lights in the middle of the grill.
Was that you? I go out in the sun, no darken right up.
Got midnight here. Made the trip down. Oh, pretty blue 306 sitting in there. 8-foot bed. We got our flag out. And the old tree on the tree. And stickers on the seat if any of y'all see us yet in here. I try to do that all the shows. We also got Blackie here. Remember it from early on the channel. Put the 351 Windsor in it. And another guy we play with, Yapping and Cruising's got his bikes as Miata down here. Yeah, another friend of the channel, Jacob, signed my stickers and my logo here with Flossie. Mustanger. Got a USA gnome. A ranger. Then we got three amigos. We got
videos that are exactly
we got a yapping and cruising guy, and we got a Jacob Novacell, and then we got my weird ass following them down the street.
We're just gonna have 3 videos that are all the same angle.
What? Yeah. Just this section. You're gonna lose me from here. Sweet Flames, Apache. And this, people always tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. That one says Apache. Nice Mercury.
Some of them did. But not this one.
Getting the shade here a little bit. That's pretty cool. Chevy 2, Nova. Another Trans Am.
So we just parked right.
Another Bel Air. Grand National. Pontiac. Rally Sport. Nice two-tone. Smell pizza down here. Firebird. Probably has something to do with the Fox's Pizza behind me. Smells good. Oh, it's a Corvette's all of a sudden. Probably because of the Corvette Club. Might be a good reason for that. I like the colors on that. I'm pretty sure the Ram isn't part of the Corvette Club, but it could be. Pretty clean for him. Those did not weather well up here. Come at all.
I'm not married
Good old Sedan DeVille. No trains. That's a Plymouth. Like that color. Camera probably won't do it justice. This little guy's cool. Like the gold pinstripes. Thunderbird. G28. couple on the side street up here. Street rod. Volkswagen. Nice blue Charger. That's 10. I had one of them for a work truck when they were new. Same color. Big old Plymouth. Chevy Nomad, I'm gonna guess. Got lots of them on the side street down here. Ford truck, GTO. That's pretty cool. Got stacks on it. Mustang. On down there. Other one here.
Yeah, I got a
Pontiac. Firebird. Another blue Trans Am. They're all black until you get around a bunch of blue ones. Nice Chevy. I like that. That was a cool style. I don't think the Pontiac Vibe's part of this. Corvette Camaro running down through. Mustang.
Yeah.
Nova. Silverado. Another Nova. Got a lot of blue. Crossfire, I believe. Demon. Cutlass Supreme with side pipes. Sport Fury. Chevrolet. $396 SS. Danger Ranger purple. I don't even know what that is. I should though. Bonneville maybe? I don't know. Nice Chevy. We got the airport checkers with a canoe on the top. That's cool. Z28. Got a Mercedes. Boy, they just keep making them emblems bigger on the front. Corvette.
You'll see in a couple of weeks, but I reorganized it. There's a lot more space now. But
You gotta come and see me?
Mustang with ground effects.
They look good.
That's quite the unit. .60 Power Stroke. It's a lot of cars. the green.
Okay, put the cap on there. Just that one. Red tight it down.
Oh, my older brother, you know, I don't think that was very good investment.
Clean. Thunderbird. C10.
Thank you for walking your scooter here. Hey, no scooters to pay for on the street here.
Not that cheap.
Chappelle.
$4,900 for this car.
Well, you don't see wagons like this anymore. This thing is nice. 59 Caddy. It's a nice Bronco. Well, I think that's it for this year. You can go back. I videoed this last year. Did some bunch of short little videos are going to be coming out of some of the cars here. And like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.